25th anniversary of the East African Community is a very significant event in the sense that it allows the member states to review the distance they have covered, how they have come, where they are, and what else they can do.
On the 30th is what in Swahili we say kilele cha sherehe, where the heads of state, the presidents, will be meeting to discuss matters around the EAC. They will receive a report from the Council of Ministers. They will be able to know where we're making progress. They'll be able to pronounce themselves on what is the way forward.